Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create a gorgeous carousel effect animation using Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to build those smooth, eye-catching sliding carousels you've probably seen on Instagram, portfolios, or modern presentations, all using Canva and without needing any advanced design skills. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up Canva. If you're not already logged in, head over to canva.com and sign into your account. Once you land on the dashboard, look for the Create a Design button in the top corner and click it. From the drop-down menu, choose Presentation. This format works really well for animations because it gives you a wide canvas to work with. It's spacious enough to design comfortably, but still structured in a way that makes animating between slides simple and effective. Now we're going to start building the visual foundation of our carousel. On the left-hand side, click into the Elements tab. Scroll down until you find the Frames section. Frames are super useful because they act like containers for your images. They automatically crop and position anything you drop inside them. Go ahead and add one frame to your canvas. Then, with that frame selected, duplicate it by pressing Ctrl-D on Windows or Command-D on Mac. Repeat until you have about 5 frames in total. Once you've got your frames, arrange them in a horizontal row across your canvas. Don't worry if they're not perfectly aligned at first. Canva has snapping guides that will help you line everything up evenly. Taking a few extra seconds here to space them nicely will make your final animation look much more polished. Next, let's bring in some images. Head back to the Elements tab and use the search bar to find visuals. For this example, you can type something like flowers, but feel free to use any theme you like. Travel photos, products, portraits, anything that fits your project. Drag an image into each frame. Canva will automatically clip the image to fit inside the frame, which makes this process really fast. If you don't like how an image looks, just drag a new one on top and it will replace it instantly. Once all frames are filled and you're happy with the look, it's time to group everything together. Click and drag your cursor over all the frames and images, or use Ctrl-A to select everything on the page. Then click Group in the top toolbar. Grouping is key here because it locks everything into one unified strip. This makes it much easier to move and scale your carousel without accidentally messing up the alignment. Now resize the grouped frames so they stretch across most or all of your canvas. This helps create that immersive, full-width carousel effect that looks great when animated. With your first slide ready, we can now create the animation effect. Duplicate the entire slide multiple times until you have around 5 or 6 slides in total. These slides will act as the sequence for your animation. Now, here's the trick that creates the illusion of movement. On each new slide, slightly shift the content. The easiest way to do this is by replacing one image at a time or nudging the entire grouped strip slightly to the left. This makes it look like the carousel is sliding as the slides progress. Take your time with this step. Small, consistent movements between slides will result in a much smoother animation. Once your slides are set up, it's time to animate. Between each slide, click the little plus icon and choose Add Transition. From the transition options, select Match and Move. This is what creates that seamless sliding effect as Canva automatically animates the differences between your slides. After applying it to one transition, you can apply it to all slides to save time and keep everything consistent. Now hit the play button at the top to preview your animation. You should see a smooth, continuous carousel effect where your images slide across the screen in a clean, professional way. It's simple, but it looks incredibly polished when done right. And that's it. You've just created your own animated carousel in Canva. This technique is perfect for social media posts, presentations, portfolios, or even product showcases. And the best part is how flexible it is. You can swap out images, adjust layouts, or experiment with different themes anytime. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want to share what you created, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical Canva tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.